Hello everyone, it's Professor L here. Welcome to my channel. Me and my little kitty are super hungry, so let's get started on this delicious plate of kalbi. Kalbi is a Korean word for grilled spare ribs, so that's what we're gonna make today. We start with 1 pound of these spare ribs. And I use these Korean barbecue #1 kalbi marinade. It's super popular and delicious. I use about 1/4 cup for about 1 pound of the meat. Then I dip in each spare rib at a time. You want to make sure you wear gloves for this because it can be very messy. And just nicely coat them all around and one at a time. Then you put all them back into the container, marinate it for about 2 hours in room temperature or overnight. Now after you marinate it, it still looks about the same, but the flavor has already penetrated inside, and you will taste that afterwards. Before I put in the frying pan, I like to scrape off the excess salt on the meat so that it doesn't overburn and the meat will still stay tender. After you finish with the scrapings, I prepared the pan. I used a non-sticking pan and I put it on a very high heat and just wait until I think it's ready. Now I'm just placing the kalbi in strips, and you should hear a nice sizzle and just see the sizzling that's happening, and just let it cook. I like to do a 2 minute each side. So 2 minutes on one side, and then I'll flip and do another 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook them, and you also don't want to undercook them. Voila, there you have it, the delicious kalbi. And let me tell you, it is really juicy, tender, and it just died for. And most importantly, it's very nutritious. It's 4 times more iron than spinach or vegetables, and it is a great source for those who are anemic. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please give us thumbs up and subscribe, and take a look at my other videos.